Usually when you want to watch short, you need to go into YouTube and go into short tabs, but with this app it offers only short video. You just swipe up or swipe down just like you do on TikToks. This app is completely free on the App Store, so let me go ahead and go into the App Store and you're gonna find this one called Shorts for YouTube. It has 4.4 star rates. It is a good app, but sometimes you're gonna see ad pop up. It's just like that because it is a free app, but I can recommend it because it is easier if you compare it to YouTube. So just swipe up, swipe down, and you have like a search where you can search specific word for a short video. But every time you click on each button, you're gonna see this ad. So you may need to adapt to it. And then when you click on this one, you're gonna see hashtags where you can like set the specific hashtag to search for the video that you like. But the thing that I like about this app is because I can speed up the video. So if I want it to be like faster or slower, like it saves much more time when you watch short. Just speed up the video like here, just slide this bar all the way to the right, and then the video will be faster and you can like watch it better, and you can skip into any video that you like. And I like this app also. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.